Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this awesome budget EDC knife from Sencut. This is the Errant. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome budget knife from Sencut and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Sencut for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Alright, let's check this out going vertical here. Let's get the ruler in here. We'll go from tip to tip. Looks like it's just about 4.5 inches overall length closed. Here it is opened up. And let's go back to vertical, but this time with the blade open. Let's go from the tip of the blade to the end of the handle, and it's just about 8 inches overall length. Let's have a look at the top of the knife to get a better idea for the overall thickness of the knife. All right, so here's a pair of chopsticks. Here is the thicker side, and it looks like it's just about the same width as that. Spring in the ruler. It looks like it's just about 3/8 of an inch across that way. Alright, let's take a measurement going across this way. Looks like it's going to be just about 1 3/16 inches, just short of 1.25 inches. Alright, let's have a look at the thickness of the blade right around here by the thumb ramp area. And here is your size reference. So it's just a little bit thicker than a US nickel. There are two ways that you can open up this knife. The first method is by using this flipper lever here. It's this little fin sticking out of the back of the knife here. You got a little bit of jimping in here and a small curvature in that fin to help you really fling it open. This is a liner locking knife, so to close this knife, you're just going to push that little lever on the side there and close it like this. And here's how you use the thumb studs to open it. You can either just kind of rotate it around like that, or you can just build up a little bit of tension in the detent and flick it open that way. This knife is going to swing open on a very smooth cage ceramic ball bearing system. And you can do that all day. All day. One-handed operation, no problem. Let's have a look up front at the blade, starting with the thumb ramp area. Let's have a closer look at the jimping here and also these beautiful dual thumb studs. All right. I'm going to tip this sideways so you can see the aggressiveness of the jimping, just enough to get your thumb on there. All right, drop point blade design, shoulder here, beautiful swedge, and we've seen how it starts off thick here and just tapers down to this nice fine point. Just drops, right? Drop point blade all the way around down here to your sharpening choil, and this is going to help you sharpen from the tip of the blade all the way down to the end of the edge here. This version of the Errant has this beautiful black finish all the way around, leaving the leading edge exposed, of course, so you can see it. And this is a hollow grind, so it's not completely flat here. There's a curvature right here, as we're going to see. And that makes for a really good slicer, especially right here in this belly area. We're going to have a look at that in just a second. Up front, we got a really good budget stainless steel. Just about every company has probably either used it or is using it currently. It's 9CR18 MOV. It's got good chromium percentage in here to help you with corrosion resistance. It's going to be pretty hard steel. The edge retention is going to be good. It takes a really nice edge. The only issue really is that because it's so hard, you're going to need to have a really good sharpener to get that edge back into shape. Here is a closer look at the G10 scales. We're at the texturing. Is on the smoother side. It's not too aggressive. Definitely not going to tear up your pockets. Going to tip it sideways so you can see that, right? Here's a closer look at the great milling they've done around the edges of the G10. Nice and smooth and even all the way around. Wonderfully done. This knife is completely blacked out. Now, they do come in different variations, but there's something that looks so intimidating about an all blacked out knife. T6 screws in case you want to take this knife apart and clean it, lubricate it. Here's your pivot. All right, the liner is skeletonized to save on weight. You can see right here on the inside, those cutouts. That is a tactical looking blade. For this knife, they decided not to go with the backspacer, and I'm really happy about that because I think if you did, it would look heavier. The standoffs give it a nice open air look. All right, let's have a look at your pocket clip. Again, everything is blacked out here. Let's have a look at the profile. Real deep carry. All right, it is swappable to the other side here. And this will be tip-up carry only. Here's a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you jam it in your pocket. Deep carry pretty much disappears. Right, there's your profile look there. All right, let's check out the sharpness of this edge out of the box. Oh yes. So smooth. No resistance. No problem. And with a big strong blade like this at that sharpness, shouldn't have any problems getting through some cardboard. So easy. Once again, guys, this has been the Errant from Sencut. It's got everything you need in an EDC blade. It's got great G10 scales. It opens up super quick, and it's got a really strong blade. So if you're looking for an EDC knife, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, this might be a great option for you. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from Sencut, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.